Vishal Sharma. Sahilji came to me 2 days back and he told, please come and join us as a keynote speaker. I said, I don't know what is a keynote speaker. And then he said that no, you need to speak on something like leadership and qualities. And I said, all of you sitting in front of me are already leaders. What can I teach leaders? Or what can I tell leaders? He said, you can share the experiences. I said, okay, I'll share the experiences then. So I'm here to share some experiences with you on leadership. But when I came here, I also saw about investment, startups. One thing which I like to share here, all Punjabis I can see more or less. So that is something called consumer behavior, which I have learned. Punjabi में बोलता हूँ मुझे ज़्यादा मज़ा आता, but I'll mix it for all of you. Anybody can tell me what is a consumer behavior? It will help us in startup and investing both. So I'll tell you a small story. Punjab में yes ma'am, consumer behavior. Yeah. Yeah. People like to follow. So they're the followers basically. Still ma'am, there is one more thing which you forgot. From here everything starts. I'll tell you a very small story. Both the languages. An old lady goes to a cotton merchant to buy some cotton for 1 rupee. She went to the merchant, gave him 1 rupee and asked that for that cotton. The merchant gave her the cotton in a bag. She came back, opened the bag, found the cotton inside. Unfortunately, the 1 rupee coin was also there in the bag. You know what the lady said? The merchant must have earned something still from me. That is typical consumer which we are, because we want to save every penny. We are very much into negotiations. That is what happens when you do startups. That is what happens when you do investing. Now coming next, ma'am, leadership, as I said. Any one trait which you think makes us a leader. One trait. जो आपको लगता है leader बनाता है. Yeah. Vision. Anything else?
Delegation.
Delegation. Delegation will not make you a leader, ma'am. Anything else?
Team building and growing everyone.
Team building and growing everyone is a leader, yes. Anything else?
Experience of being the leader.
Experience. Yes, sir?
Compassion.
Compassion.
Courage.
Courage. I'll put all of these in one. Yes, sir? एक आंख जी बताइए.
Dream and faith.
Who is into his servant.
Okay.
And leads the way, shows the solving techniques.
Solving techniques. I'll put all of these, sir, in one word. हिंदी में पागलपन, अंग्रेजी में mad, पंजाबी में you know that. Yes, ma'am? Passion, junoon, pagalpan. And you know what stops us from making this leader?
Fear.
Yeah. Why don't we become this leader, the mad? Any idea?
Risk taking.
Sir, friends and family. You know the reason? When we say लोग क्या कहेंगे, उसमें सबसे पहले हमारे friends और family होते हैं. अगर ये fail हो गया, अगर मैं fail हो गया, तो लोग क्या कहेंगे? So is that right or wrong?
Right.
That stops us from making leaders, because you need to be mad enough if you want to become a leader. That's where I was coming from when we say leaders are mad. How many of you think that for your own company, the performance of your company, you are responsible? Raise your hands.
Yes.
How many of you as a leader think that for the performance of your company, you are responsible?
No.
You said yes, then no, sir. So what is it that a leader is responsible for in his company? Yeah? Everything. Sir, anybody else?
Delegation करना पड़ता है.
Delegation करना पड़ता है. Absolutely right, sir. You cannot handle everything on your own. But what is that one thing that you are responsible for in your company as a leader? Enablement. Anything else?
Vision.
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 Sir, you are responsible for the resources which you have in your company, who are responsible for the performance of the company.
Yes.
As a leader, I'll repeat, as a leader, you are responsible for the resources you have in your company. Who are responsible for the performance of the company? What does that mean? As a leader, you need to give them an environment, an ecosystem, what we all are talking about, to make your company perform and grow. You are not responsible for performance. And if you start looking at that, somebody said that we are responsible for our people. That is what leader is, that is what I'm talking about. So this is something which you need to learn, to be responsible for the resources who will make your company grow. If you say that I can do everything, I'm sure all of you will agree it is not possible. And one more thing a leader has to do every day. Anything, any idea?
Boost Josh.
Boost Josh. अपने आप को जोश कैसे लाएगा?
Faith and trust.
Faith and trust.
Taking the actions.
Taking the actions. Anything else, sir? Sir, a leader needs to pause for some time every day, which means he needs to stop. And why do you think we need to stop or take a pause for some time? Any idea? Yeah, sir.
To observe such.
Yeah? Introspect, absolutely right. And how do we do that? I'll tell you a small story, sir, but I'll like to hear from you. I'm sure you must have heard about it. You all know there is a bird called eagle. आप सब जानते होंगे. What is the lifespan of an eagle? Ma'am, how much? 40 years. Anybody else? Anybody else? Quickly, I'll not waste much of time. Yeah. 35 to 40, anybody else? A lifespan of an eagle is 80 years. But at the age of 40, the eagle needs to stop to live for next 40 years. And how does he do that? Plucking up the feathers. And what else? So why is it that he plucks the feathers? Starts? The fresh ones can grow. That's why a leader needs to stop so that the fresh ideas can grow. If you don't do that, you know what will happen? I'll give you another example to understand what will happen. How many of you have seen a car race happening? A Formula 1 car race. Sabne dekhi hogi? What happens in that, ma'am? Okay, there is a driver, there is a car, the car is on the track, they push the car and bring it to the track. Track पे आने से पहले car start नहीं होती. Any reason why? It's a racing car. As soon as you accelerate, it goes to 100. So if they don't start, they push it. And then the race starts. What happens after that when the race starts?
Change of the tires. Every pit stop.
And why?
The new tires.
And what will happen with the new tires?
Perform better.
And if you don't change the tires, what will happen? Same is true here, sir. That is the reason a leader needs to stop. Else, either you need to slow down, somebody else will take over. Your tire will blast, you'll be out of the race. And if you stop and have new ideas, you will once again start with a fresh frame of mind, and you need to do it every day as a leader. और सर इसका एक सबसे अच्छा तरीका बताता हूँ आपको. All of you wake up in the morning, and I am sure your bed is done up by somebody else. Ladies को छोड़ के. So when you wake up in the morning, sir, do one thing. The quilt or the bed sheet or anything which you take on, उसको 2 बार झाड़ दीजिए. You'll feel the difference. Every day in the morning, I can guarantee you will feel the difference. And so coming on to the investors now, which everybody was talking about. Do you invest in idea or a person?
Person.
Idea or a person? Okay, both. Somebody said person. If you have to do percentage, how much percentage from 100 you'll give to a person and how much to an idea?
Person to more.
Idea more? Person less? Sir said person more?
50-50.
50-50. Yeah.
70% person.
Okay. 30% to idea? So any idea? Normally we say that if we invest in 10 startups, 9 of them fail and only one gives result. Any idea why this happens? साहिल जी आए थे, मुझे पर्सनल में बड़ी अच्छी बात बोली, मुझे बड़ी पसंद आई, बिकॉज ये होती है, पैसे आपसे लेते किसी और चीज के लिए, लगाते किसी और चीज के लिए. इज दैट राइट और रॉन्ग? आपको पता भी नहीं लगता. मैं छोटी बातें नहीं करता, किंगफिशर वाले को भी देख लो, पैसा बैंक से लिया किसी और चीज के लिए था, लगाया उसने कहीं और. एंड दिस इज ट्रू. एंड यू नो व्हाई दिस हैपेंस? व्हाई दैट पर्सन इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट? बिकॉज देयर इज समथिंग व्हिच यू कैन नॉट चेंज, which we all have studied but never implemented, and that something is called social needs, or you can say hierarchy of needs. अगर बंदे के पास रोटी, कपड़ा और मकान है ही नहीं, आइडिया लेके आ गया, आपको बेच दिया, आपने उसको पैसा दे दिया, वो सबसे पहले कहाँ लगाएगा? Where will he invest?
रोटी कपड़ा मकान.
Definitely. आइडिया तो बहुत बाद में आएगा. So you need to understand. And how do you control it? Normally why we fail is investor बीच में से निकल जाता है, जिसके लिए साहिल जी अभी बीच में आए हैं. How do you control it? Quick example to this ma'am. Sirs, आप सबने पतंग उड़ाई होगी. 4 फैक्टर्स होते हैं मेजर. एक तो पतंग चाहिए, which is an idea. डोर चाहिए, that door is a startup person. हाथ चाहिए, that hand is a investor. एक और फैक्टर चाहिए जिसके लिए आप रिस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं हो. वो क्या है? हवा. एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर. हवा चलेगी तो पतंग उड़ेगी. Is that right or wrong? All these 4 factors are important, but one factor is the most important. जहां से हम लोग ध्यान हटा लेते हैं. That factor is your hand. जिसके लिए हम बोलते हैं हम हैंड होल्डिंग करेंगे स्टार्टअप की. पतंग आपने चढ़ा दी ऊपर, हवा भी चल रही है, एवरीथिंग इज देयर, और अब आपने हाथ छोड़ दिया. पतंग तो ऊपर ही थी. व्हाट विल हैपन? वी ऑल नो व्हाट विल हैपन. इट इज सपोज्ड टू कम डाउन एट वन स्टेज, बट आपने पतंग पकड़ी हुई है. एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स आपके हाथ में नहीं है. आंधी चल रही है तेज. You still know when to bring it down and again scale it up. You still know when I have to go from right to left and left to right, which you will do with your own hand. And normally we let this hand go because we have our own priorities and responsibilities, and that's why startups fail. So please don't let them fail. It is your responsibility. If you have invested, that you then need to invest time as well, because this hand is the discipline which will keep that kite high. I think you agree with me. And last thing, I'll not waste much of our time because everybody was speaking about entrepreneurships or startups. One thing जिस पे हमने भी end किया था सर, asking the question why and learning how to say no. How many of you think that you know how to say no? And how many of you think that you know how to ask a question why? Only 1, 2, 3. You know, for asking a question now, why, what is important? Important is first accepting that I don't have the knowledge of that particular subject. Only then I'll ask the question why. If I know everything, I'll never ask the question why. Is that right or wrong? Now I'll tell you the importance of asking the question why with a small example, and you'll understand it very quickly. Sir, आप सब स्कूल गए होंगे. I am sure तब यहाँ तक पहुँचे, मैं भी गया. Is that right? Sir तो हैं यूनिवर्सिटी से. मैं कुछ चित्कारा में भी मिला था. Right sir? स्कूल का एक क्राइटेरिया होता है, मैम्स एंड सर. 33% आएंगे तो पास हो जाओगे, नहीं तो फेल हो जाओगे. Is that right or wrong? आप में से किस किस ने ये सवाल अपनी मैडम से पूछा था या सर से पूछा था कि 33% पे मैं पास होऊंगा और 32.9 पे मैं फेल हो जाऊंगा? It is for me. Why? Anybody who can answer this? You said it is important to ask why. You said if we don't have a knowledge, we should ask why. How many of you? एक आधा सब्जेक्ट तो सबका रहा होगा. मेरा मैथमेटिक्स था, बड़ी मुश्किल से मैं खुद सोचता था किसी तरह से 34-35% आ जाए, मैं पास हो जाऊं और जाके फिर वो शिव जी के जल भी चढ़ाऊंगा, सब कुछ करूंगा। बट आपके लिए सर, किसने डिसाइड किया कि आप 33% पे तो पास हो लेकिन 32.9 पे आप फेल हो? This is what why is all about, and then you will understand the knowledge of asking why. Any ideas or anyone? आप सबके साथ हो चुका है, I am sure about it. Scholars हम सारों में से सब कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स में होते हैं, कुछ में दिक्कत होती है।
No, because everyone is not master in every subject.
Then sir, now the policy is changing and they say that okay, from early stage in the new education policy, sir is aware of it, you can choose the subject you are good at. But still, till certain academic years, you need to get that passing marks. बीच में CGPA आया था, चला नहीं। So why 33%? Yes sir.
At that point of time, we did not understand why to ask why.
How many of you have asked why now? क्योंकि बच्चों को भी तो ये कह रहे हैं पास हो जा।
नहीं, मैं तो मेरे बच्चे पीछे बैठे हुए हैं वैसे।
आप उनको so I'll not go further. Sir, anything on this? Why? 1/3. तो हमारा दिमाग 1/3 चलता है तो ठीक है। Anything else? Knowledge of why? Anybody please? पर वो 33% के पीछे हम भागते रहे और ये हमारे लिए डिसाइड किया था और हमने कभी सवाल नहीं किया। But when I'll give you the answer, I can guarantee you one thing, it will change your life from here. And your kids also, जो सुन रहे हैं। No idea? No idea, sir? Our education system was designed by Britishers in the 18th century. At that time, at the Queen's Land, which we say England, the passing percentage of a normal Britisher used to be 65%. The Queen dictated at that time that Indians have half the brain of a Britishers, which came to 32.5% at some point of time, and finally rounded off to 33% as a passing percentage, which still exists. Do you agree we have half the brain of a Britisher? I told you it will change your life. But अब ये हमें स्कूल में तो कभी किसी ने बताया नहीं। As उस एक सब्जेक्ट के लिए तो मैं जरूर लड़ता हूँ। That is what is why. And you should ask this why for everything. वो 33% मेरे लिए किया गया था, पर मुझे ये नहीं बताया गया था कि वो इसलिए है क्योंकि I have half the brain of a Britisher. Google it. It is still 65% there. But we never asked why. And we still don't ask why. And bottom line, sir, you said your kids are here. You know why we don't ask why? And I'll end it here. Any idea why we don't ask why?
Because लोग क्या सोचेंगे?
No, sir. It starts from the child. It starts from the culture we give in the house. आपका बच्चा मदर से एक सवाल पूछता है, 2 बार पूछता है, तीसरी बार, चौथी बार उसको चाटा पड़ता है। जो बोल रहा हूँ सुन ले, नहीं तो
Regimented approach.
Yes. Then he goes to school. वो बोलते 2 और 2 4 क्यों होता है? मैडम वो बोलती है 2 और 2 4 ही होता है, किताब में लिखा हुआ है, पढ़ ले, समझ नहीं आता, दिमाग नहीं है तेरा। And he starts learning, मुझे सवाल नहीं पूछना, फिर वो कॉलेज में जाता है। Again he asks the same question twice, and the third time the answer he gets is जो लिखा हुआ पढ़ ले, क्योंकि नंबर उसी में से आने हैं, एग्जाम उसी में होना है। And then he starts learning, मुझे पूछना नहीं है, क्योंकि बचपन से आपने इसको बता दिया मुझे पूछना नहीं है। So this is a culture we give them, and then we expect when they come to you as a startup with an idea or as an investor that he or she should ask why. हमारे साथ सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्या है सर? कॉर्पोरेट्स। उसको पता होता है सवाल पूछना नहीं है। जब हम इंटरव्यू लेते हैं हम उसको बोलते हैं सवाल पूछ। We ask him to ask why. And then he says ये क्या हो रहा है? मुझे तो सारा टाइम बोला था दिमाग चलाने नहीं अपना। क्योंकि माँ बचपन में ये बोलती है, बाप भी बोलता है अपना दिमाग मत चला, जो बोल रहा हूँ सुन ले। फिर टीचर बोलता है अपना दिमाग मत चला, जो बोल रहा हूँ सुन ले। फिर कॉलेज में जाता है, प्रोफेसर बोलता है अपना दिमाग मत चला। तो क्या सिखाया आपने? व्हाट इज द लर्निंग? लर्निंग इज अपना दिमाग। फिर एक स्टेज आती है जहां सडनली उसको इस वर्ल्ड में लाके बोला जाता है भैया अपना दिमाग चला। देन ही सेज अब तो है ही नहीं, चलाऊं कहां से? बचा ही नहीं ना, क्योंकि आपने चलाने ही नहीं दिया कभी. That is what the reality of our culture is. And now to end it here, there is a classic example of an investor and a startup. There was a father who used to give 1 rupee coin to his son and used to tell him every day, throw it in the Ganga. For 18 years, his son used to take that 1 rupee coin every day and was throwing it in the Ganga. 19th year, his son got a job. And the father humbly requested, I'll not give you that 1 rupee because of that 1 rupee you've got this job. Now you take out that 1 rupee from your pocket and throw it in the Ganga. And the son replied, this is my hard-earned money, how can I throw it in the Ganga? And the father said, that 1 rupee which I gave you, was it not hard-earned money? Now who is the investor here? Fathers and mothers are sitting here. Who is the investor? Obviously father. Who is the startup? Obviously the son. And where is the money going? In the Ganga. Till the time the son realizes or the startup realizes that I have to start earning. Because then it becomes his hard-earned money. So that's why they always say, जो भी free में आता है उसकी value नहीं होती है. So thank you so much all of you for having me here. I think I have not bored you much. And as I said, I'll not be taking much of your time. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you, Sahilji, for having me here. Thanks a lot. And do share this 33% with your kids. It will change their life for sure. For that one subject in which they think they need to pass. Thank you so much, guys.